Now, with that, viewers, we have Advocate Lohit Kumar, the complainant that we were in fact speaking to you about, the person who has sought for an FIR probe, and that too, a complaint has been filed against the KSCA. Let's in fact speak to him as he joins us on India Today. Advocate Lohit Kumar, thank you for speaking to us at India Today, if you can hear me. My first question to you would be that you have in your very letter laid out negligences. You've spoken about negligences of the KSCA. My first question would be, what are the specific charges against the KSCA that you have laid down?
Good morning, Shreya. This is an unfortunate incident, what we have heard yesterday. So, Karnataka State Cricket Association has negligibly, their preparation was not good. They were not prepared. And the task was like, morning 10 o'clock, they announced it is a free ticket for all the fans who can come to the stadium to celebrate the victory. When the crowd started, showing their interest, again the stadium started, issuing the ticket at 3 p.m. So this shows that commercial interest is more than anything for them. And without having any preparations, they made, inviting people like 35,000 to 40 people to enter the stadium without opening the gate. The second thing is that the state government has also made some mistakes, like, on 3rd of the day, the victory day, the police had worked till 3 a.m. to control the crowd. The hurriness of the state government, celebrate this victory has made another incident that the police were not able to control the crowd because of their, I think, they had made a job till 3 a.m. again morning coming to the place, to controlling the crowd. Obviously, even they are the human beings where they cannot, the police sub-inspectors or constables were not able to control the crowd since because of the hurriness of the state government. And they have by law violated many of the laws where the permission should be taken by the proper instructions. For an example, now they had to be taken the permissions from the intimate for the public notice because, Vidhan Sabha is opposite the High Court and it is in the center of the place where many IT people are working, many people are there. All of a sudden, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 35 people, 40 people come to the streets and celebrate. I also say, celebration is not an offense, but without taking any proper instructions, without taking any proper ways of controlling the crowd, has made these incidents to be happen. So now the KSCA is directly should be punished for their negligence.
Mr. Kumar, I understand what you're saying here, but let me just quickly put in another point here and pose you another question. And I am sorry to probably play the devil's advocate here, but would you say the state government, like you just mentioned, the blame is also partially of the state government? A small amount of blame also goes to the state government. Do you think we should be looking at this very incident from that lens, given the kind of statements that's been coming in from the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister, who from the very start have not only been deflecting the blame, they've completely denied it, and they are putting it on other stakeholders, including the Cricket Association itself?
Shreya, I really appreciate these questions, and I don't hesitate to answer this. The state government is not partially involved. We can say that the state government is completely involved on these things. Why? Because, Shreya, we know we are a common people. To take some permission from the government or from the police department to gather 100 people is difficult to get us within 2 hours or 3 hours. But state government has taken the bias things and they have immediately taken the permission to show off some things that we are also involved on such victory. Yes, I appreciate that victory is victory. But state government in the administrative process should have some knowledge, some basic things to protect the public without having any accidents, any incidents. It should take a time and, if it had celebrated, could have better. And for this, definitely, I should blame the state government than else. And also, Shreya, I want to disclose one thing before the time, India Today. At 11 o'clock, I'm filing a public interest litigation before the Honorable High Court of Karnataka, making a party of the state government for the Negligence Act, along with the Karnataka State Cricket Association also. Probably at 11 o'clock, it may be, I can get a number, and at the end of the day, the Honorable Judge, if provided, the time is provided, the court may hear my petition also, Shreya. I'm also asking in the prayer to make an inquiry by the retired High Court judge on the incident what has happened yesterday, because the state government has easily given a compensation of 10 lakhs for each person, and also they have mentioned it. The judicial inquiry by the district commissioner should be conducted. You know, it is an administration level. The district commissioner of Bangalore is also an organ of the state government, and what would he give the justice to it? So we want to know where the laws have been, violated. We should know who has made in a hurry, who gave the permissions to, celebrate the both sides at immediate position. And we should know where was the wrong done by the KSCA.
Right, Mr. Kumar, we do understand your sentiments and the complaint that you have in fact filed. But yes, we are also looking at who is to be held accountable. And definitely the blame cannot be just brought down to a small amount or a partial amount for the state government at this given point, as we still continue to keep our focus on this story. Thank you so much for joining us.